Good morning, students. The attendance has been captured. I'm sharing my screen. So, Sainik 2021 paper, maths, we have completed first 5 questions and we'll start with the sixth one. So, the question is average of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. So, let us solve this in 2 methods. Method number 1. We know the average formula, that is sum of observations by number of observations. So if you use average formula, average is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. If you use this, so let us add all of them to get the sum. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 divided by how many observations are there? There are 7 observations. So if you add all of them, you're going to get 49 divided by 7. 7 sevens are 49 and the average is 7. So the correct answer is A. But I don't suggest solving it like this. Method number 2. So we can find the average again by the same formula, sum of observations by number of observations, but to add them manually. Okay, so these are nothing but the odd numbers. So how many odd numbers are there? 7 odd numbers, and they are the first 7 odd numbers. We know the formula for sum of first n odd numbers. It is n square. So because here 7 odd numbers are there, so it is going to be 7 square. So sum of first 7 odd numbers is 7 square divided by number of observations is 7. So we can expand 7 square as 7 into 7 divided by 7. 7 7 cancel, answer is 7. And we can also use a shortcut, that is method number 3. These are equally spaced numbers. What do you mean by equally spaced numbers? Let us write the numbers again. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So what is the spacing between them? Spacing is nothing but the difference. 1, 3 difference is 2. 3, 5 difference is 2. So everywhere you can see the difference is 2. When equally spaced numbers are there, the average, either we can say it is the middlemost number, or we can say it is the average of first and last. Not only first and last, from the first, second, and from the last second. Symmetric position from left and right. You can also take third from the left and third from the right. Their average also same. So because we have a middlemost number here, so the average is going to be directly 7. The average is going to be 7. So when you can do this, when the numbers are equally spaced, that means if the differences are same, then without using average formula, you can use this shortcut, that is the middlemost number is going to be the average. So the answer is going to be A. So any doubts in this, you can raise a hand, I'll clear, then we'll move to the next question. Doubts, you can raise a hand. No doubts? Yes, we'll move to the next question. If x% of y is 100 and y% of z is 200, then find the relation between x and z. So there are two information given. So let us write both of them. X% of y is 100. So if you remove percent symbol, you'll be getting by 100. X% of y is equal to 100. And let us write the second data, that is y%. If you remove percentage symbol, you'll get by 100. 200 into z, y% of z is 200. So we got these two. And now we should find the relation between x and z. To get a relation between x and z, so what we need to do is we need to eliminate y. Eliminating y means we should get a relation between x and z without involving y. So how can I eliminate y? So I see in both the equations, y is there in the numerator. So let us say this is equation number 1 and let us say this is equation number 2. In both the equations, y is in the numerator. So in order to cancel y and y, what I am doing is I am dividing equation 1 by equation 2. Dividing equation number 1 by equation number 2. So first LHS we will divide, then we will divide the RHS, left hand side and right hand side. So LHS of equation 1, that is x by 100 into y divided by, what is LHS in equation number 2? Y by 100 into z is equal to, now on the RHS, 100 divided by 200. So why I did this? In order to cancel y, because the question they are asking to establish a relation between x and z. So y gets cancelled. So just for cancelling this, I did this operation of division. Now I can cancel out 100, 100. So two zeros cancel, 100 ones and 100 twos. So what is remaining? X by z is equal to 1 by 2. So in order to get a relation between x and z, okay, you can cross multiply. So x into 2, you can write 2x, z into 1, you can write z. So this relation is found in option C, z is equal to 2x. So answer is C. 2x is equal to z or z is equal to 2x, both are same. So that is answer C. So any doubts, you can raise a hand. Yes, Vedasri, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
the sixth question not understood.
Vedasri, you're not audible to me. Yes, Vedasri.
The sixth question first method is not.
Sixth question. See the average formula. Do you remember the average formula?
The sixth question first method not understood.
That's what I'm asking. Do you remember the average formula? Sum of observations by number of observations. Vedasri, what is average formula?
Sum of observation on
By number of observations. Sum of observations means we need to add all the given observations divided by how many observations are there, that much number you should write. So in the numerator, I have added all of them, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on up to 13. If you add all of them, you are getting 49. 49 divided by 7. You can cancel by 7. 7 ones and 7 sevens are 49. Answer is 7. Okay. You remember that formula average, number of observations by number of observations. Aditi,
Sir,
Aditi, you joined just now.
yes, sir.
Today also late. Yes, tell me what is your doubt.
Sir, second method.
Second method. See, average, I'm using the same formula, sum of observations by number of observations. But if you see the numbers, what are they? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Which type of numbers? Are they odd numbers?
Sir,
Are they odd numbers?
yes, yes, sir.
You know any formula to calculate the sum of first n odd numbers? First n odd numbers, what is the sum?
Sir, 49.
N square. I'm not asking the answer, I'm asking formula. Sum of first n odd numbers is n square, you remember, okay? Repeat that formula. Sum of
Sum of
first n odd numbers
first n odd numbers
is n square.
is n square.
Repeat again.
Sum of odd numbers
Sum of
is
first
it,
n odd numbers.
sum of first n odd numbers is equals n square.
Yes, here how many odd numbers are there? 7 odd numbers are there. Count how many are there? 7 numbers are there.
Yes, sir.
The answer is going to be 7 square. So 7 square divided by 7. 7 square I can write 7 into 7 and I can cancel 7. Answer is 7. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Aditi, join early. Himanshu, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sixth question.
Yes.
If 13 after 15 is there,
Yeah, if one more number also you are adding 15, then how many odd numbers are there? 9 odd numbers, right?
yes, sir.
Then it is not 7 square, it's going to be 9 square. 9 square by 7. You are not
Sir,
going to
what
get the answer natural number, you are going to get the answer in decimals. Okay?
is answer in method 3?
In method 3, yes, very good question. Suppose if one more 15 also there. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15 also there. Suppose they are asking the average of this. So in method 3, as I told you, they are having the same differences, equally spaced numbers. When the middlemost number is there, can you identify the middlemost number here? There is no middlemost number, right?
Yes, sir.
But you can consider the middlemost two numbers.
Yes, sir.
What are they?
Sir, 7 and 9.
For them, you find the average. Okay. Finding
Okay.
average of 8 numbers is easy, or finding average of 2 numbers is easy.
Sir, 2 numbers.
So just find the average of 7 and 9. So 7 plus 9 by 2. It's going to be 8. 7 plus 9 is 16 and 16 by 2 is 8. Answer is going to be 8. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I said in previous case you are going to get in decimals. No, the denominator is going to change. No, 8. So answer is going to be 8. Okay.
Okay.
Mayuk. Mayuk. Yes.
Sir, do not understand seventh question. Can you tell again?
Yes. Seventh question is, so there are two relations given. First relation is x% of y is 100 and second relation is y% of z is 200. Using this, we have to get a relation between x and z. So if I remove the percentage symbol, I get by 100.
Yes,
X
sir.
by 100 into y is equal to 100 and the second relation is y by 100 into z is equal to 200. They are asking the relation between x and z, right?
Yes,
That
sir.
means y should be there or y should be eliminated.
Eliminated.
Y should be eliminated. In order to eliminate y, I am doing division, equation 1 by equation 2. Why I am doing that? If I do the division, y gets cancelled, right?
Yes, sir.
So in order to cancel y, I have did the division. So numerator by denominator, y cancel, 100 cancel. So finally I got x by z is equal to 1 by 2. Using that cross multiplication, I got z is equal to 2x. That is option C. Now we got a relation between x and z. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Ruhan? Ruhan, what's your doubt? Ruhan, you're not audible.
Sir,
Yes, Ruhan, what is your doubt? Ruhan?
sir,
Yes, what is your doubt? What happened, Ruhan?
sir,
Tell me.
sir, by mistake.
Okay. Abhiday, what is your doubt?
Sir, x by z is equals to 1 by 2. Why we don't do multiplication? Why cross multiplication?
Why? Because we already got x by z is equal to 1 by 2, right? But there is no option given like that x by z is equal to 1 by 2. In the given options, it is in the form of products only, no? So to convert two fractions equality of two fractions, you can do cross multiplication. X into 2 is 2x, z into 1 is z, 2x is equal to z. Okay? Yes, Abhiday? Adit, have any doubts? Adit?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, sixth question.
Sixth question, I explained all the three methods again, right? What is your doubt?
Sir, method 3.
In method 3, all the numbers are having the same difference, 2 or not. All the numbers are having difference 2 or not. 1 3 difference is 2, 3 5 difference is 2. Everywhere 2, right?
Yes, sir.
When the difference is same, average, we can find very easily without using the formula sum of observations by number of observations. Middlemost number will be the answer. Okay?
Okay.
So 7 is the middlemost number and that is the answer. Aditi.
Sir,
Yes?
So I have a doubt at seventh question.
Just tell me.
So the answer will be also be sir. So 2z is equal to x.
Wrong. Suppose if it is something like x by z is equal to 2 by 1, then what you're saying is correct. See, when two fractions are equal, we are going to get cross multiply. X into 2 is 2x, z into 1 is z. So you're getting 2x is equal to z. Okay?
Okay, sir.
This cross multiplication. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, Rutvik, what is your doubt? Rutvik,
Sir, I have sixth question doubt, sir.
tell me. Yes,
Sir, average have same numbers that will average is what, sir?
same number, that number only.
Okay, sir.
Average of same numbers is equal to that number only. Okay. So we are going to the next question now, that is eighth one. 1/4 of, 1/3 of, 2/5 of a number is 15. What will be 40% of that number? So we don't know that number, let us call it x. So I'm calling it is x. So I said, whenever you find in any statement 1/4 of, 1/3 of, 2/5 of, so when I continuously of they are using. So even in intelligence or in maths, you try to read the statement from back to front, reverse order. Okay. So let's start from reverse order. So let us start from that number. A number. We called that number as x. Then multiplied by. They're asking 2/5 of that number. So just multiply by 2/5. And in that 2/5 they're asking 1/3. Okay, 1/3. And again they're asking 1/4. So I just write 1/4 of, 1/3 of, 2/5 of a number is 15. So is equal to 15 I can write. Now they are asking in that number what is the 40%. In order to calculate 40%, we should identify first what is that number. Okay. So I want to get the value of x. All the fractions I want to transpose to the other side. So 15. So fraction transposed to the other side, you'll be getting the reciprocal. 2 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 2. 1 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 1, which we can write 3. 1 by 4 reciprocal is 4. So I got the value of x. Now they are asking what is 40% of x. So what is 40%? 40 by 100 into x, what we got from the previous equation, 15 into 5 by 2 into 3 into 4. So now we can simplify this to get the answer. So let us do the simplification. 0, 0 cancel. Now 2 2s, 2 5s, 5 5 cancel. 2 2 cancel. So the remaining numbers you can multiply. 15 threes are 45. 45 into 4, that is 180. So the answer is C. Answer is C. Any doubts you can raise a hand. Himanshu,
Sir, I can't understand this question, sir.
which part you didn't follow?
Sir, total, sir, I didn't understand.
See, first of all, they're saying 1/4 of, 1/3 of, 2/5 of a number. That number we don't know. I'm calling it a variable x, right?
Okay, sir.
So in x, let me write the 2/5 into 2 by 5. Then in that they're asking 1/3. So we can write 1 by 3. And in that they are writing asking 1/4. So I can write 1 by 4. So this product they are saying is equal to 15. So using this, I want to find the value of x. So all these fractions, I want to transpose to the other side. So I get the value of x.
X.
So when a fraction is transposed to the other side, what will happen to the fraction? It will become
Sir, reciprocal.
so 2 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 2. 1 by 3 will be 3 and 1 by 4 will be 4. So just we got the value of x. But what is that question? They're asking 40% of that number. Okay. So I want to get the 40% of that number, 40% of x. So 40% means 40 by 100 only.
Yes, sir.
40 by 100 into, I know the value of x right here. And this, do the simplification, we'll get the answer 180. Okay.
Okay.
Rutvik? Rutvik?
Sir,
Yes.
second step x value.
Yes.
Sir,
You want to simplify in the second step only?
Yes, sir.
You can do that, but wait for the cancellations until you write the entire expression. It will be easy because sometimes in a hurry we multiply bigger numbers and it is not at all actually required. Then cuttings is easy. So start doing the cuttings only when the expression is full. So even if you get the value of x in this statement, again you should do 40% no next time. Dealing
Yes,
with
sir.
smaller numbers is easy or bigger numbers is easy.
Sir, small numbers.
That's why wait for the cancellations until the full expression is written. Okay. So here I have the full expression, then I can start doing cuttings. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Lokesh, Lokesh.
Sir, I not understand that question.
See, Himanshu asked the second time. I explained second time also. Listen two times. When other students are asking, are you listening or not? Lokesh.
Yes, sir.
So what is your which particular step you didn't understand?
Sir, third step,
In the,
40% off.
see already in the second step we got the value of x, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is that question they're asking? They're asking 40% of that number. Okay. When
Yes,
you
sir.
remove the percentage symbol, you'll be getting by 100. So you can write 40 by 100. 40 by 100 into what is that x value we got? This one. So only cancellations are left. So cancellations we can do one numerator and one denominator. So after doing the cancellations, then you'll get the answer 180. So if you want me to explain the cancellations again, I'll do that. 40 by 100 into 15 into 5 by 2 into 3 into 4. So one numerator and one denominator we can do division by the same number. So if you do it by the 10, 0, 0 cancel, 10 fours are 40, 10 tens are 100. Next, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10. 5 ones, 5 ones. 2 ones, 2 ones. So the remaining numbers you can multiply. 15 threes are 45 and 45 into 8 is 180. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Mayuk? Mayuk?
Sir, in question x equal to 15 into 5 by 2 into 3 into 4, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Divide 2 by 4 by 2 also. So 2 twos are 4.
Yeah,
You can
anyway,
cancel
you
4.
do cancellations, any order you do, you'll get the same answer. Okay? So let's discuss the next question, ninth one. A library has an average of 510 visitors on Sundays. So every Sunday, on an average, 510 visitors are coming to the library and 240 on the other days. So except Sunday, remaining all the weekdays, 240 members are making the presence in the library on an average. The average number of visitors in a month of 30 days starting with Sunday is, so there is a month which is starting with Sunday. Okay. So first of all, 30 days are there in a month. I want to calculate how many weeks are there. So 1 week contains 7 days. If I do the division by 7, 7 fours are 28 and the remainder is 2. That means quotient gives the number of weeks and remainder gives extra days in the month. That means in that month, 4 full weeks are there and 2 extra days are there. And they gave one more clue. That is the month is starting with Sunday. The month is starting with Sunday. So these 4 weeks, every week is going to start by Sunday, and the extra 2 days also that will start with Sunday. So what are the extra 2 days? One is Sunday and another one is Monday. Okay. Now in that month, how many Sundays are there? I want to calculate. So in that 4 weeks, every week contains one Sunday, and in that extra 2 days, one Sunday is there. So total how many Sundays are there? 5 Sundays are there. So other than Sunday, remaining days, like I'll write other days, other than Sunday. So total we have 30 days in that month and 5 Sundays are there. So 30 minus 5, we are going to get 25 other days. So they said on every Sunday, 510 visitors are coming and other days 240 people are coming. Now we want to calculate the average. Again, average. Average, we know the formula. Average, we know the formula. sum of observations by number of observations. That means sum of all the people in that particular month divided by how many people are coming. So first let me calculate for Sundays. So how many Sundays are there in the month? 5. On every Sunday, how many people are coming? That is 510. Plus other days are how many? 25. On every other day, the attendance is 240. So this gives the sum of the observation. That means how many people are coming in the whole month divided by number of observations. Okay, total how many days are there? 30 days are there. So this completes the formula, sum of observations by number of observations. Now let us simplify. 510 into 5, that is 2550 plus 25 into 240. So 25 into 400, 0, 10 carry, 50, 60. That is 6000 we are getting, divided by 30. Add these two numbers, 8550 divided by 30. This gives the average. Let us do cuttings. 0, 0, cancel. So 855 is divisible by 3. If you apply the divisibility rule, 8 plus 5 plus 5 is 18. It is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 8. Sorry, 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 5 becomes 25. 3 8s are 24. 1 is remaining. 1 5 is 15. 3 5s are 15. So the average number of visitors is 285. And the answer is option B. Yes, doubts you can raise a hand. Vihan? Vihan?
Sir, I do not understand ninth question, sir.
So where you have not followed? First of all, you understood the question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Question you understood. In a particular month, how many days are there?
So 30 days.
30 days are there. The month is starting with which day?
Sunday.
Sunday. Okay. I want to
Yes, sir.
calculate the number of weeks in that month. Okay. How to calculate the number of weeks in that month?
Sir,
One
sir,
week contains how many days?
7 days.
So 30 I'm dividing by 7. What is the quotient I got?
Sir, 4.
What is the remainder I got?
Sir, 2.
That means 4 full weeks are there and 2 extra days are there. In that
Sir,
4 full weeks, every week contains a Sunday.
yes, sir.
And in that extra 2 days, it will start with Sunday. Sunday and
Yeah.
Monday are the extra 2 days. So in
Yes, sir.
4 weeks, 4 Sundays are there. And in that extra 2 days, 1 Sunday is there. So total how many Sundays are there in that month?
Sir, 5 Sundays.
5 Sundays. What are the other days in that month?
Sir, 25.
Why 25? 30 minus 5, 25, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
on every, yes, tell me.
sir, sir, 1 month is 31. Next month is 30, sir.
No, they're saying about a month which has 30 days. They mentioned in the question or not? Did
Oh,
not
okay,
say
sir.
31. They said 30 days,
Okay.
right?
Okay, sir.
I think your doubt got cleared.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Vedashree?
Sir,
Yes. What is your doubt?
sir, second.
Come again?
Sir, second line not understood, sir.
Second what?
Sir, in ninth question,
Yes.
average. Sir, here
Hmm.
2,550 plus 6,000, sir.
See, 510 into 5. Is it 2550? You can do the multiplication.
Okay.
And 25 into 240, you'll be getting 6000. And just add these two. You'll be getting 8550 divided by 30. So you cancel 0 first and then divide by 3. You'll get 285. Practice cancellations. Okay. Not in the long division method, cancellation method, like numerator by denominator, cuttings method you practice. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Vedashree? Vedashree, any other doubts?
No, sir.
Sanvi? Sanvi?
Sir,
Yes, what is your doubt?
sir, why you used average formula?
Because the question they're asking, what is the average number of visitors in a month? They're asking average. I used average, sum of observations by number of observations.
Sir, have you got 25 days or remaining days?
Because that month is containing how many days?
30.
30 days. How many Sundays are there in that month?
5 Sundays.
5 Sundays. If 5 Sundays are there, I want the other days other than Sundays. So 30 minus 5 is going to be 25, right?
Yes, sir.
Because they give the information Sundays separately, other days separately. That's why I'm finding separately. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we'll go with the next question. A batsman makes a score of 87 runs in the 17th match and thus increases his average by 3. Find his average after the 17th match. See, in this 2021 Sainik school paper, average, this is the third question. So each question carries 3 marks and 3 threes are 9 marks from average till now. So a batsman makes a score of 87 runs in the 17th match and thus increases his average by 3. Find his average after the 17th match. Okay. A batsman makes a score of 87 runs in the 17th match, but before 17th match, how many matches he have played? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 16. Let us think these are 16 blanks. Okay. What is his score in each match? We don't know. But let us call the average as X. Average in 16 innings. These are 16 innings. So what do you mean by innings? So in cricket, a batsman goes out to play one time. That is called one innings. So in 16 innings, every innings, what is the score? We don't know. But average of all the 16 innings, let us call X. So after 16 innings, is coming from 17th inning now. This is 17th inning. Okay. In 17th inning, what is his score? 87 is his score. So when he scored 87, he increased his average by 3. Now, if you calculate the average of all the innings from 1 to 17th inning, the average increased by 3. Old average is X and the new average is going to be X plus 3 because they gave the information average increases by 3. Now they're asking, find the average after the 17th match. Okay, that means this X plus 3 value they're asking. So if you want that X plus 3 value, first we should find the value of X. So what I'm doing is, see here, we know the formula average is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. So yesterday using the same formula, I told you sum of observations formula also. Just transpose number to the other side. Number is dividing here. If you transpose, it will multiply. So it's going to be average into number. So how you remember average is equal to sum by number? You can remember sum is equal to average into number. So first 16 innings, I want the sum of his scores. Okay. I know the number, I know the average. So number and average I know, so I can calculate the sum. So sum of all his scores in the 16 innings is average is X, number is 16. So this is the total score, sum of all the scores in 16 innings. Plus what is his score in the 17th inning? That is 87. So this gives the sum of all the scores in the 17 innings divided by, so sum of observations is over, number of observations. How many observations are there? 17 observations are there. So this is going to get the average in the 17 innings, sum of observations by number of observations. But according to the question, this must be equal to X plus 3. They said that average is increased by 3. Now we should find the value of X. So transpose 17 to the other side. X into 16, we can write 16x plus 87. 17 I am transposing to the right side. 17 is dividing. If you transpose, it will multiply. 17 into x is 17x and 17 into 3 is 51. I want the value of x now. Okay, transpose 16x right plus 51 left. So 16x is going to become minus 16x. 17x minus 16x plus 51 is going to become minus 51. 87 minus 51. So now 17 minus 16x is x. 87 minus 51 is 36. So in a hurry, don't go for the answer 36. Okay, because the question they are not asking what is the average after 16 innings. They are asking the average after 17th match. So what is the average after 17th match? That is x plus 3. Here we got the value of x only, but we want the final answer. That is average after 17 innings. Average after 17 innings is equal to x plus 3. X value we got 36. So it's going to be 36 plus 3 is going to be 39. That is option D. So this is how we solve this question. So any doubts, you can raise a hand. Srihita, you have any doubt?
Sir, yes.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I didn't understand from x into 16 plus.
Right side average is equal to x into 16. That one.
Yes, sir.
See, I want to calculate the average in all the 17 innings. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I know 17 innings. What is the score? 87. But I don't know all the scores in the 16 innings. But I can find sum of all the scores in 16 innings. What is the sum formula, Srihita? What is the sum formula? Here, I have given box also, sum formula.
Sir, sum is equals to average into number.
Very good. In the 16 innings, what is his average?
Sir?
In 16 innings, what is his average?
16 innings.
I am circling and I am giving tick mark, then also you are not identifying. You can see here, 16 innings, what is his average?
Sir,
X, right? X into, how many innings are there? 16 are there. So this is average and this is number. So average into number you do. Sum of all the scores in 16 innings you will get, right?
it's
Plus, what is the 17th innings score?
87.
87. If you add them, you'll get sum of all the scores in 17 innings.
Yes, sir.
So sum I got and number is 17. Sum by number, I get the average. But according to the question, that average is x plus 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Now just I am doing simplification. X into 16, I wrote 16x plus 87 is equal to 17 is divided. If you transpose, it will multiply both of them.
Yes, sir.
17 into x is 17x. 17 into 3 is 51, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm transposing plus 16x to the right side, plus 51 to the left side. So addition becomes subtraction on transposing, right?
Yes, sir.
So 17x minus 16x, 87 minus 51. And the answer of x I got 36. But in a hurry, you don't go for the answer 36. Here option A is there. I will choose option A. No. See the question. They're asking find his average of the 17th match. Suppose if they ask the question find his average after the 16th match, then 36 will be correct. But they're asking 17th match. That means x plus 3 we should find. It is already 36. So in place of x, you use 36. You'll get 39 is the average after 17 innings. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Any other doubts, Rihita?
No, sir.
Abhiday? Abhiday?
Sir, inning means?
Come again?
Inning means?
Innings means a batsman goes out to play once and get a chance to play. Okay? One time he is going out to play until he becomes out. How many runs he scored? That he said the score in his innings. Okay? Okay, Abhiday? Or you can say he scored in one match. That's it. Nishika? Nishika?
Sir,
Yes, what's your doubt?
sir, I can't understand this question, sir.
I explained it twice. Where you have not followed, tell me.
Sir, listen, sir, again I don't understand.
Yes, ma. Average is sum of observations by number of observations, right?
Yes, sir.
In the first 16 innings, we don't know his score, but average I'm calling X. Okay.
Okay, sir.
17th match, he scored 87. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After scoring 87 in the 17th match, his average increased by 3. So X increased by 3, it become X plus 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want the sum of all his scores in the 16 innings. Okay. Sum formula is
Sum of sir.
not
Average.
asking average.
Sir.
I'm asking some formula. Average into number, right?
Yes, sir.
So average is x and number is 16. So it is going to be x into 16, right?
Yes, sir.
So first 16 innings, I got the sum of scores, and 17th innings his score is 87. So if you add all of them, you'll get sum of all his scores in the 17 innings
Yes, sir.
divided by 17. That means sum divided by number. I got the average. So average is equal to x plus 3 according to the question. Now from there, if you simplify, you get the value of x. After getting the value of x, you find x plus 3. That will be the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Shivansh. Shivansh. Shivansh, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Shivansh.
sir, can you explain problem?
I explained 3 times already. Which part you have not followed?
Sir, left side.
Left side. So in 16 innings, what is his score individually, we don't know. But the average, let us call it X. Okay. In 17th innings, he scored 87. What they said, the average increased by 3. So X increased by 3 will become X plus 3, right?
Yes, sir.
From there, I'm using average formula on the right. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Atreya. Atreya, what is your doubt?
Sir, here
Yes.
15 will come in, sir.
15. Where is 15?
87,
87.
51.
Yeah, 51. This is plus 51, right? 51 you transpose to the left side. Addition becomes subtraction while transposing, right? So plus 51 becomes minus 50. So that's why LHS became 87 minus 51. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any other doubts? Atreya, any other doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Rutvik. Rutvik. Rutvik, what is your doubt? You're not audible. Ramlikit. Ramlikit. Saurish. Yes, Saurish.
Sir, I didn't understand this question, sir.
Saurish, I explained 4 times to all the students. Every time you try to follow what is explained and what is the given question and everything. Average means sum of observations by number of observations. In 16 innings, we don't know each individual score, but average we are calling X. Okay. Some formula, what I said?
Sir,
Some formula. Here I don't know. Some formula. You should remember the formula, Saurish. Average is equal to sum divided by number. Similarly, some formula.
average is equals to
I'm not asking average formula. Average formula, you know, sum by number. I'm asking some formula, sum.
is equals to A into N.
What is A? What is N?
Average,
Into number. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
In first 16 innings, average we called X and number is 16. If you multiply that, you will get sum of his scores in the first 16 innings and extra 17th innings is 87. So sum of all the 17 innings score we got, if you divide by 17, you'll get the average in the 17 innings. That is X plus 3. Then we have to transpose and get the value of X. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. We are going to the next question. 11th one. Reena took a loan of 1200 rupees with simple interest for as many years as the rate of interest. if she paid 432 rupees as interest at the end of the loan period, what was the rate of interest? Let me read the question again. Reena took a loan of 1200 rupees. That means this is the principal she has borrowed with simple interest for as many years as the rate of interest. So, what is the meaning of this phrase? As many years as the rate of interest. That means time period and rate of interest are having same numbers as many years as the rate of interest. That means if the rate of interest is 5%, then number of years he took the loan for is 5 years. Suppose rate of interest is 3%, time period is 3 years. If rate of interest is 4%, time period is 4 years. As many years as the rate of interest means time period and rate of interest both are same numbers they'll be having. If she paid 432 rupees as interest, so final interest is 432 rupees at the end of the loan period, what was the rate of interest? Very simple question. So we know the simple interest formula, that is I is equal to PTR by 100. What is I? Interest. What is P? Principal. What is T? Time period. And what is our rate of interest? So interest, we already got interest in the question, that is 432 rupees. So I place we can write 432 rupees. Principal, so how much she borrowed first? 1200 rupees. P place you will substitute 1200 into time period, we don't know, rate of interest also we don't know, but we know one clue. What is that? Time period and rate of interest both are same. If both are same, I can call a variable like x. Time period I am calling x years, rate of interest I am calling x percent. So time period also is substitute x, rate of interest also is substitute x. Why? Because they gave the clue. Time period and rate of interest are having same numerical part. Okay. Divided by 100. From this we get the value of x. Two zeros cancel, and I want to find the value of x. 12 I'm transposing to the left. 12 is multiplying. If you transpose, it will divide. 432 divided by 12 is equal to x into x. We can write x square. Now 12 3s are 36. 43 minus 36 is 7. 7 2 becomes 72. 12 6s are 72. So I got x square is 36. We know squares. Okay, we know squares up to 32 we remembered. X square is equal to 36. So what is the value of x? Whose square is 36? 6. So x value is 6. And they're asking rate of interest. Rate of interest we called x only, and x value we got 6. That is answer B. Answer B. So rate of interest is 6% per annum. So doubts, you can raise a hand now. Any doubts in this question? So simple interest formula we used, I is equal to PTR by 100. Shivansh, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you explain better method?
See, simple interest formula you should remember, Shivansh. I is equal to PTR by 100. Okay.
Yes, sir.
P means principal. In the beginning, how much amount she took loan? That is 1200. So P, I have substituted 1200 in place of P 1200. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And interest, final interest she paid 430 rupees. I place I have substituted 432. And they said,
Okay.
other students, those who are raising hands, listen for the second time once again. Okay. Time period and rate of interest, they said they are same. As many years as the rate of interest means time period and rate of interest both are same. That's why T I used X, R also I used X. So these are the substitutions over. Now only simplification is left. Two zeros cancel. Okay. And 12 is multiplying, you transpose to the left side. 432 divided by 12 is 36. X into x is x square. So we got x square is equal to 36. Now, which number square is 36? Answer is 6. So option B.
Okay, sir.
Now, any other student? Adit, what is your doubt? Adit?
Sir,
Yes, Adit.
sir, what is the meaning of loan?
Loan means, suppose Reena, she want to do, let's take an example. She want to do a business. Okay. and she don't have the capital to start the business. So you can go to bank and ask for a loan. Okay, they will approve the loan, and that loan we will take and use it for our business purpose. We can do the business and we can earn the money. But while taking the loan, bank will ask you for how much amount of time you want the loan. Suppose she said 3 years. So after 3 years, she will return the 1200 rupees and extra interest also, because she used the 1200 rupees for 3 years, no? So extra interest she will pay 432 rupees. So loan means in the beginning how much amount we took, that is principal. Okay,
Okay.
Aditi?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, why did you do cuttings 532 by 12? Sir,
It's not
how did you
it's not 532, it is 432.
Sir, 432.
12 threes are 36.
Sir, no, sir, where did you get the 12?
12 here is there, no. In 1200 only zeros are cancelled. 12 is left.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sahasra. Sahasra, what is your doubt?
Sir, how
Yes.
to get x is equal 6?
X square is equal to 36. Which number square is 36?
6.
That's it. Ramlikit. 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 Vihan,
Sir,
what's your doubt?
can you explain again the question?
First, she took a loan of 1200 rupees, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
at the end of the time period, how much interest she paid? 432 rupees.
Yes, sir.
They gave a clue, that is as many years as the rate of interest. Means what? Time period and rate of interest both are same.
Yes, sir.
Time period, rate of interest both are same. Because they are same, I can use the same variable.
Yes, sir.
So in place of I wrote 432. In place of P, I wrote 1200. TR, both I used X because they are same. Now only simplification is left. After doing simplification, X value we got 6. That is the rate of interest.
Okay. Sir, why you get the 200 here? 12.
1200 is given, no, the principal. How much amount in the beginning she has taken loan? 1200.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Read the question properly. Okay. Now next question. What is the name of the angle formed when the clock time is 7:15 p.m.? So 7:15 p.m. let us try to show. So this is a clock. 12, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. So they're asking 7:15 p.m. So 7:15 p.m. our sand will be not exactly 7. Between 7 and 8, it will show 1/4 part it will cover. Okay. Suppose if it is like this, exactly 7 it will show. But in 15 minutes, it will move 1/4 of the part between the hour. So it will show between 7 and 8. Okay. And 15 minutes. So where the minute hand will show, minute hand will be pointing towards 3 exactly. So our hand is between 7 and 8. Minute hand is showing exactly 3. Now they are asking the type of the angle. Okay. So you may have a doubt. So they're asking the angle between the hands. Either we have to consider this one or we have to consider this one. Okay. So whenever angle between two rays are mentioned, so don't consider both of them. Always we will consider the smaller one. So this is greater one. This is greater angle and this is smaller angle. So don't consider the greater angle. Consider only smaller angle between any lines or between any rays. Okay. Whenever they mention angle, consider only the smaller one. So they're asking about the smaller one, which type it is. Okay. So types of angles we discussed. Exactly right angle, L shape 90 degrees. Between 0 and 90 we call acute angle, and between right angle and straight angle, that means more than right angle but less than straight angle, that is called obtuse angle. So you can clearly see that this angle is more than right angle and less than straight angle, so it is an obtuse angle. It is an obtuse angle because it is more than right angle and less than straight angle. So right angle looks like this L shape. Straight angle look like this, but the angle is more than right angle but less than straight angle. So it is called an obtuse angle. Option C. So doubts here, you can raise a hand. Aditi.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, the time's at 7:15, sir. The hours hand exactly show it's 7, right?
Okay. That means when the time is moving like 7:15, 7:20, 7:25. So all these times hours hand will be showing 7 only. And when it is 8, it will directly jump to 8. Aditi,
Sir,
hours hand will move or not. Every second also hours hand will move.
okay, sir.
Then slowly it will show 8 after 1 hour. It won't jump from 7 to 8 directly. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Vedashree?
Sir,
Yes?
sir, Aditi said na.
Yes?
Sir, that is 7 only. That's shown.
It won't show 7. That is wrong. 7:15. See, suppose exactly 7 is there. Time is exactly 7. Then hours hand will show 7 and it will be like this. But from 7 to 7:15, anyhow minutes hand will move to 3. But hours hand also will move this much. Yes or no?
Okay.
Hours hand also will move. It won't sit at 7 until 8 is happening and directly jump to 8. Did you see any time hours hand jumping from 7 to 8 directly?
No, sir.
No, it will slowly move, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Sastra?
sir,
Yes.
I don't understand, sir.
Why you don't understand? Which part?
Sir, clock.
Clock only. 7:15 time. So now the time clock is showing 7:15 or not?
Yes, sir.
Do you remember the types of angles?
Yes, sir.
Which type of angle is this?
Sir, obtuse angle, sir.
What is obtuse angle?
Sir, 360 degrees.
360 degrees is complete angle. You're not revising the notes properly, Sahasra. Types of angles is very simple concept. What is zero angle? What is acute angle? What is right angle? You once revise. Okay? Obtuse angle is more than right angle and less than straight angle. Okay? Revise properly. Sharad? Sharad, what is your doubt?
So that is reflex angle.
Come again?
So that is reflex angle.
In the beginning only I said there are actually two angles between rays, this one and this one. But you have to always consider the smaller one, I said. If you consider the bigger one, it is reflex angle, okay. But whenever angle is mentioned, smaller or bigger, they are not mentioning. You have to consider smaller only, okay.
Okay, sir.
Vihan,
Sir, I by mistakenly touched the sir.
okay, we'll go to the next one. 15% of 40 is greater than 25% of a number by 2. Then the number is, okay. So this is of a number, but that number we don't know. We can use a variable like x. Okay, let me write 15% of 40. If you remove percentage, you'll get by 100. 15 by 100 into 40. This is greater than 25% of a number. 25 by 100 into x by 2. That means from the bigger one, if you subtract the smaller one, the difference is 2. So this is the mathematical way of writing 15% of 40 is greater than 25% of a number by 2. From this we should get the value of x only by transpositions. Okay. So negative number, if you transpose, it will become positive number. Plus 2 is going to become minus 2. So I am doing these two transpositions. So plus 2 is coming left. 15 by 100 into 40 minus 2 is equal to 25 by 100 into x. Now find the value of x from this. 0, 0 cancel, and 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. 5 3s are 15. And here 25 ones, 25 fours. 3 2s are 6, and 6 minus 2 is 4. We got 4 is equal to x by 4. 4 is equal to x by 4. I want the value of x. 4 is dividing here. If you transpose, it will multiply. So we get x is equal to 4 into 4. What is 4 into 4? 16. And the answer is B, 16. What is that number? We got 16. Very simple. Directly you write the equation and solve for x. X value is 16. Abhiday, what is your doubt?
Sir, did it understand?
15% of 40. How can we write that? 15 by 100 into 40?
100 into 40.
This is greater than 25% of a number. But what is that number? We don't know. We can call it x.
Yes, sir.
So this number minus this number will give you 2, right? Yes, Abhiday?
Yes, sir.
Minus 25 by 100 into x. It will become plus 25 by 100 into x.
Yes,
If
sir.
you transpose. And 2 is on the right. If you transpose 2 to the left side, it will become minus 2. Yes, then simplify and get the value of x. Any cuttings you have not followed? Everything is okay? So x value we got 16. Nishika. Nishika.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, did it understand second step, sir?
See here plus 2 is there. Plus 2 you transpose, it became minus 2.
-2.
And this number minus 25 by 100 into x. This is negative. If you transpose, it will become positive.
U.
So just I interchange those two. Positive will become negative and negative will become positive. And then do cuttings. You know cuttings, right?
Yes, sir.
Do cancellation and simplify for the value of x. Any particular step you have doubts?
Sir, no, sir.
Okay. And Nishant, what is your doubt? Nishant, what is your doubt?
Sir, same note, sir.
I think it is clarified now.
Yes, sir.
Sanvi.
Sir,
Sanvi, what is your doubt?
Sir, without transposition also we can do, no?
Yeah, we can do, but we can write the equation. That number is equal to 15% of 40 minus 2. If you directly write this equation also, without transposing, you will get the answer. Okay?
Sir, first we solve the first equation and subtract from 2, we will get the answer, no?
You can get it like that.
Okay,
But
sir.
if I write the equation, you have to solve like this. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, ma. So next question. Find the length of a rectangular playground in centimeters, whose area is given 700 square meters and breadth is given 25 meters. So mensuration problems, I'm always asking you to draw a figure, whether it is required or not required, because if you draw the figure and write, you can understand the question better. So breadth is 25 meters and area is given 700 square meters. Area is the amount of space occupied inside it, that is 700 square meters. That is the area. Length we don't know, let us call it L. So area of the rectangle, we know the formula. Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So area is 700 square meters. I can write meter square. And length is, we don't know length, we write L only, but breadth is given 25 meters. I want to calculate the value of L. 25 meters is multiplying. If you transpose to the other side, it will divide. So we get L is equal to 700 meters square divided by 25 meter. 1 meter cancel. So with 25 we can cancel. 25 2s are 50. 70 minus 50 is 20 and 0, 200. 25 8s are 200. So we got length is 28 meters. Okay. So just to confuse you, they gave the 28 option in the beginning, but you don't choose that because we have to read the question properly. Find the length of rectangular playground in centimeter, but we got in meters. That's why 28 is given in the first option only to make you wrong. Okay, so read the question properly and convert into centimeters. So that is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 28 into 100 centimeters. So we'll be getting 2800 centimeters. So the option is C. So in a hurry, you don't choose option A because we have to read the question properly. They mentioned you have to find it in centimeters. Convert meter into centimeter. Okay. So any doubts in this? Very simple question. Adit. Adit, what is your doubt? Yes, Adit. Adit, are you there? Nishika. Nishika.
Sir,
Yes, what is your doubt?
sir, in second step, how you will get the 25 meters?
In the question, is it mentioned or not? Breadth is 25 meters.
Yes, sir.
You're not reading the question only properly. Read question properly. 2 times, 3 times you should read.
Okay, sir.
Shivansh.
Sir,
Yes, Shivansh.
sir, can you explain problem?
Area of the rectangle. What is the formula? Length into
Sir,
breadth.
sir, length into breadth.
Area is given 700 meters square.
Okay, sir.
Length we don't know. Let us write L only. But breadth is given 25 meters. Breadth we can write 25 meters. Now I want the value of L. 25 meters is multiplying. If you transpose, it will divide.
Yes, sir.
So I got L is equal to 700 by 25. After doing cancellations, I got L value is 28. But 28 is in meters. They are asking the question in centimeters. Convert meters into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters?
100 centimeters.
28 meters is equal to 2800 centimeters. Option C. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Ruhan. Ruhan. Ruhan, what is your doubt? Vihan.
Sir, your voice is stucking, sir.
Vihan, try to leave the class and join again.
Okay, sir.
Okay. We'll go to the next question. In the morning, the temperature was minus 10 degrees Celsius and it is decreased 3 degrees by the evening. What was the temperature in the evening? So in the morning, the temperature is minus 10 degrees Celsius. It decreased 3 degrees by the evening. That means decreased means we have to subtract 3 or add 3. Subtract 3. So minus 10 minus 3 is going to be minus 13. Answer C, that is minus 13 degrees Celsius. So when two negative numbers are added, so write the same minus symbol and add the numbers 10 and 3. So minus 10 minus 3 is going to be minus 13. Dots here. Srihita. Srihita.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, my dad is waiting for me. Can I leave?
Yeah, you can leave. Any other doubts in this? Yeah, very simple question. We are moving to the next question. A rectangular garden is 185 meters long, 220 meters wide. It has two roads in its center of uniform width 4 meters, one parallel to its length and the other parallel to its breadth. Find the cost of leveling the roads at 1 rupee 25 paise per square meter. So let me draw a figure for you. So a rectangular garden is there. 180 meters, 185 meters long. Long means it is length. Length is 185 meters and 220 meters wide. 220 meters wide. So actually breadth is longer than the length, but no problem. You can write 220 meters. That is the breadth. It has two roads in its center of uniform width of 4 meters. One parallel to the length and the other parallel to breadth. So one road is parallel to the length and other road is parallel to the breadth. So two roads are passing inside that rectangular garden. What is the breadth of each road? both are 4 meters. Okay, so this breadth is 4 meters, this breadth is also 4 meters. Find the cost of leveling the roads at 1 rupee 25 paise per square meter. So this is the complete road area. This is a complete road area. So I'm shading the complete road area. So this one they want to level at the cost of 1 rupee 25 paise per square meter. So they're asking find the total cost. If you want to find the total cost, first of all you should know the total area of this shaded region. So first we have to find the area of the shaded region. How can we calculate the area of the shaded region? So what I'm doing is I'll show with a different colored pen. First I will try to find the area of this rectangle. We know rectangle area is length into breadth. I will find the area of this rectangle. This is also rectangular shape, length and breadth. I know I can calculate the area. So simply I can add these two areas. But there is a problem in adding these two areas. That is, you can see this square shape. This is covered in both the roads. In first rectangle it is present. In second rectangle also it is present. Because this part is present in both the rectangles, are you going to level that part two times? No, we are going to level it only once. That means this particular part is counted in both the roads. So two times you are not going to level that. So what we have to do? Simply first find the area of this, find the area of this, then add them. But by adding them, this square is repeated two times. We want only one time. So what we should do? Subtract it one time. Then you will get the actual area of this shaded part. Then using that we can find the cost. So first I am finding the area of the vertical rectangle. So the vertical rectangle is this one. I am first calculating the area. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay. So breadth we know 4, but length, if this is 220, this is also 220. Yes, length and breadth both we know. Now we can multiply that. So area of the first rectangle, that is 220 meters into 4 meters. I'll write the units later. I'm just writing the numbers. Plus, now horizontal rectangle, this one. This rectangle area, length into breadth. Length and breadth 185 and 4. If this is 185, this is also 185. So 185 into 4. So 185 into 4. But if you add these two, there is a problem. That is, this part will be repeated two times. We want it only once. So subtract it once. So subtract. What is the square area formula? 4 into 4. Side into side, you can substitute 4. So 4 into 4. That is side into side, that is 4 into 4. So this is the actual area. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3. There are three terms and we can see one common term, that is 4. So 4 can be taken common. So what is left in the first term? 220. Second one is 185 and the third one is 4. So let us simplify this. 4 into 220, 185. So we can add. So 5, 0 and 3. So we are getting 405 minus 4. You'll be getting 401. So 1604 meters square. This is the complete area we want to level the roads. But how to find the cost? Each square meter, the cost is 1 rupee 25 paise, and we want to find the total cost. So now the cost. This is area of the roads, and now we are finding the cost. How much area is there? 1604 meter square, but each meter square it is taking the cost of 1 rupee 25 paise. So 1 rupee 25 paise, let us try to convert into fractional form. 1604 into 125 by 100. 25 fours, 25 into 5, 125. Now 4 we can cancel here. 4 fours are 16, 0, 1. 401 into 5, it's going to be 2005 rupees. 2005 rupees. Option D. Now, any doubts? You can raise a hand for this question. Abhyuday. Abhyuday, yes, yes.
Sir, I didn't understand from the cost.
See, cost 1 square meters to level 1 square meter road. How much cost?
1.25.
We got total area is 1604 meter square. Just multiply, you'll get the total cost. Yes?
Sir, 125 by 100 by
1.25. I converted into fractional form. 125 by 100. Okay? Cyber then. Cyber then.
Sir, 16th question అర్థం కాలేదు.
Speak in English.
Sir, I did not understand 16th question.
See, there is a rectangular garden and two roads are the remaining students, those who are having doubt in this, I'm explaining once again. All of you have to listen. There is a rectangular garden whose length and breadth are given, and two roads are passing through that. One road is parallel to the length, another road is parallel to the breadth. Okay? Okay. Now we want to find the cost of leveling the roads at a given cost. 1 square meter cost 1.25 rupees. Total cost we want. Cyber, then there is a background noise. Somebody is talking.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you mute your mic otherwise?
Okay, sir.
Okay. I want to calculate the area first. What do you do? I will first find the area of this rectangle, and then I will find the area of this rectangle. But by adding these two rectangle areas, the middle portion which is in square shape, this one, it is repeated in both of them. So I don't want to level it two times. I will level it only once. So what I do, if you add both of them and we have to subtract once, if you don't subtract, that will be leveled two times. Same road level two times, you will get different cost. We want to level only one time. That means you have to subtract. So first, area of this rectangle 220 into 4. Area of this rectangle 185 into 4 minus area of this square 4 into 4. That will give you the area need to be leveled. After finding the area, just multiply by 1.25. I think Cyber, then is it cleared or you have any doubts?
Yes, sir.
No other doubts?
No, sir.
Vihan, your doubt? Vihan?
Sir, I do not understand from the cost, sir.
See, area we have found 1604 meters square, right?
Yes, sir.
1 meter square leveling costs how much? 1 rupee 25 paise.
Yes, sir.
1604 meter square. Just multiply 1604 into 1.25, right?
Yes, sir.
That's it, 2005 rupees.
Sir, can you explain again?
See, 1 meter square cost is 1 rupee 25 paise.
Yes, sir.
104 meter square means 1604 into 1.25. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Karthik, you joined just now. Karthik?
Sir, I didn't understand
Karthik, first answer my question.
from area, sir.
You joined just now. Did you join just now?
Sir, I didn't understand. Sir?
Did you join just now? I'm asking.
No, sir.
You are not there from the beginning. You are joining late. Yesterday you are absent, and today you joined late.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, because I go to temple yesterday, sir.
Yes, tell me what is your doubt.
I went to temple.
Tell me what is your doubt. Area.
Sir,
See, area.
sir, I didn't
Area of
understand
rectangle.
from area.
Area of rectangle. You know the formula. What is area of the rectangle formula?
Sir, I went to temple.
So length into breadth. That is this area. This area I will add. What is the area of this rectangle? 220 into 4, right? Yes or no? Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Because this is 220, this is
Sir.
also 220. So 220 into 4.
Yes, sir.
What is the area of this rectangle?
185.
185 into 4, length into breadth you should say. Yes? And this need to be subtracted. Why this need to be subtracted, Karthik?
Sir, because that is in this rectangle and vertical rectangle.
Because it is present in both the rectangles, we have to subtract it once, right? So square area 4 into 4 I have subtracted, I got the area, then multiply by the cost, then you'll get the total cost. Okay? Okay?
Okay, sir.
Adit?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, leveling mean?
Come again? Leveling. Leveling means the roads are not in proper order. It is not flat. To make it flat, we are calling it leveling. Saurish? Saurish?
Sir,
What's your doubt?
sir, area 2 I didn't understand, sir.
What is area of rectangle, Saurish formula?
Length into
Length into breadth, right? Area of first rectangle plus area of second rectangle minus area of the square, right?
okay.
Then you simplify, you'll get the area, then multiply by the cost.
Okay.
Anuvijay?
Sir,
Yes.
the voice is stucking.
No problem, tell me. Anuvijay, what is your doubt?
Sir, your voice is stucking and video is stucking, sir.
Anuvijay, check your internet connection and you can try to leave the class and join again.
Sir, okay, sir.
Okay, we'll move to the next question, that is 17th one. The table below shows maximum temperatures in New York City last year. Use the information in this table and answer the following. What was the average maximum temperature up to 2 decimal places? So we can round off to 2 decimal places of 3 months, May, July, and September last year in New York City. So they're asking again average. Same paper average, we already solved 3 questions. This is the 4th question. Now, which month we want? May, July, and September. So May month, what is the maximum temperature? 21. July month, 29. And September month, it is 24. So they're asking average. Average formula is sum of observations by number of observations. How many observations are there? 3 are there. Let us simplify. So 21 plus 29 is 50. 50 plus 24 is 74. 74 by 3. Now they are asking for 2 decimal places. Up to 2 decimal places. So how to round off to 2 decimal places? First let us do cuttings. 3 twos are 6. 1 is remaining 14. 3 fours are 12. 2 is remaining. If you use decimal point, 2 becomes 20. 3 sixes are 18. Again 2 is remaining, it becomes 20. 3 sixes are 18. So they're asking up to 2 decimal places. So we can stop it here. So that is 666, it will continue to repeat, but they're asking up to 2 decimal places only. So we can stop here. So we can say approximately equal to 24.66 degrees Celsius. Why I wrote approximately equal to? Because this is not the exact answer. This is the approximate answer, because after the decimal, infinite times 6 will repeat, but we are writing only 2 places. It is not exactly equal to, approximately equal to 24.66 degrees Celsius. That can be. Doubts here? Udviksha? Udviksha,
Sir,
what is your doubt?
sir, by mistake lowered it.
Shivansh? Shivansh,
Sir,
what is your doubt?
sir, can you explain the problem? I don't understand.
What is the average formula?
Sir,
Today only I told you 3 average formulas and 3 times I told you. Average formula. Sum of observations by number of observations. So they're asking May month, July month, and September month. They're asking average. Sum of observations by number of observations. How many observations are there? 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Add them divided by 3. You'll get the answer. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Karthik? Karthik? Yes. What happened, Karthik?
Sir, can we cancel 3 and 24?
3 and 20. No, don't do that. So you want to cancel 3 ones, 3 eights. That is
Sir, why?
wrong. That is wrong. Why? Because when multiplication is there, you can do it. But when addition and subtractions are there, you cannot do it. Why? Because this 3 is dividing the complete sum. It is not only dividing 24. If you divide only 24, the relation between 21 and 29 is gone, right? So whenever addition subtraction is there, you cannot cancel. Okay, don't do that mistake, everybody. But in place of plus, if you have intos, then you can cancel 24 and 3. Okay? Yes? Vihan?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what is the 24.66 degrees Celsius? Before the
After the
means,
decimal, you don't call 66. After the decimal, each digit you have to call separately. 24.66.
sir, this 24.66 before symbol have. Does symbol means?
Approximately equal to. It is not exactly equal to.
Okay, sir. Approximate.
Approximately. Mayuk?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, 2.26 fraction.
Come again?
Sir, 24.666 is a recurring fraction.
Recurring decimal, not fraction. Non-terminating recurring decimal. But about them, it is not there in your syllabus. You can write approximate values, no problem. 24.66. Rutvik? Rutvik?
Sir,
Yes.
21 plus 29 plus 23 for sir 24 29 minus 1 24 5 25
What happened, Rutvik?
sir 25 happened na 25 nearest value is B na.
Yeah, very good. You're checking, you're making all of them equal to the same value, right?
Yes sir.
You can use the tricks in the exam, but every time it may not work because if there are two options which are close to 25 given, then you'll get confusion, right?
Yes sir.
But here 25.52 is somewhat farther from 25. Then you might get the answer. But yeah, you can do that if the answers, if the options are having distance between them, then you can do that. But if they are very close, then you must use the formula. Okay.
Yes sir. Okay sir.
Okay. We'll move to the next question. 18th one. The angle subtended by the diameter of a semicircle on any point on the circle is okay. So let us draw a full circle first. Then we will take a semicircle, that is diameter passing through the center. They're asking the angle subtended by the diameter of a circle on any point of the circle. So let's take this semicircle, and this is the diameter of that semicircle. On that circle, we take any point, this point. So this is the end point, and this is the end point of the diameter. You connect to the end point. This will be definitely right angle. Not only this point, you take any point. This point, just connect like this. This is also right angle. Take a point, connect like this. This is also right angle. Not only these 3 points, you take any point and connect. Always you get right angle. But what is the reason for that? Okay. So in geometry, we discussed a theorem called central angle theorem. How many of you remember that? central angle theorem. Central angle theorem. What is central angle theorem? That is the angle subtended by an arc at any point of the circle is half of the angle subtended at the center. So let us say this is an arc. Yes, it is a semicircular arc. It is subtending how much angle at the center? Because diameter is straight, this angle is going to be 180 degrees. According to central angle theorem, you take any other point on the other part of the circle, then connect like this. It will be exactly half of 180. So what is half of 180? Half of 180 degrees, it's going to be 90 degrees. Okay, this is 90 degrees. Not only this point, you take this point also and connect like this. That is also half of 180. Half of 180 is 90. So any point you take, you will get 90 degrees. Answer is C. So there is a one difference you should remember: angle of the semicircle and angle in the semicircle. So let us say this semicircle and let us say this semicircle. Angle of the semicircle is 180 degrees. Angle in the semicircle is 90 degrees. That is the difference you should remember. So angle of the semicircle is 180 degrees. Angle in the semicircle is 90 degrees. So they are asking in this question angle in the semicircle. Okay. So the answer is 90 degrees. Any doubts in this? Mayuk?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, who discovered central angle theorem?
Exactly don't know, but the proof is there in the geometry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Aditi?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I didn't understand this question.
So while explaining geometry, you are there in the class, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you understood central angle theorem while I'm explaining the class.
Yes, sir.
Then what happened? What is central
Sir,
angle theorem first of all?
sir,
Statement, do you remember central angle theorem?
no, sir.
Okay, for you I'll write again. Everybody have to remember what is central angle theorem. Statements. The angle subtended. Subtended means formed. The angle subtended. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is always twice. Twice means two times. Always twice. The angle subtended by the arc at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Remaining part of the circle. So simply you can remember central angle is double or twice the angle subtended at the remaining part of the circle. So central angle we got 180 degrees. 180 degrees is double this angle. That means that angle is half of 180. Half of 180 is 90 degrees.
Okay.
So this is central angle theorem statement. Everybody have to remember. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is always twice the angle subtended by the arc at any point on the remaining part of the circle. It is there in your classwork also. Try to revise and remember.
Okay.
Ramlikit?
Sir,
Yes.
subtended ante?
Subtended means formed. Okay, we'll go to the next question. A big cube has each portion of 44 centimeters. Tiny cubes of 4 centimeters portion each are cut from that. Then how many tiny cubes will be formed that are surrounded by cubes on all sides? So let me explain again. There is a big cube has each portion of 44 centimeters. That means each edge of the cube is given 44 centimeters. There is a cube. Each edge is given 44 centimeters. Tiny cubes of 4 centimeters portion are each cut from that. Then how many tiny cubes will be formed surrounded by cubes on all the sides? So what they are doing is they are not asking you how many pieces can be cut. Okay, number of pieces can be cut by dividing the volume of bigger cube by the volume of smaller cube you will get. But they are not asking that. They are asking how many tiny cubes will be formed that are surrounded by cubes on all sides. First of all, this 44, so we'll be dividing into pieces like this. So exactly 5 parts are not, I don't know, but 11 parts you will be getting on each side because 44 by 4 is 11. But I'm not drawing 11 pieces. I'm drawing only 5. But you remember 11 pieces will be there on each sidewise. So like this, so many smaller pieces they are dividing. Like this, so many smaller pieces they are dividing. Now, the big cube edge is 44 centimeters and each small cube, let me show each small cube. So this is each small cube and this small cube is 4 centimeters side. Now, first of all, the question, what is the question? We have to find the number of cubes which are surrounded by cubes on all the sides. For example, I consider the cube which is there on the corner. Is it surrounded by cubes on all the sides? No, because it is only outside. Outside of that cube, there is no cube, that is empty space. So this cube is not counted. Which cubes we have to count? So what I do is, I remove one layer from the outside. The inner layer, all the cubes will be inside. So what do you mean by that? I remove one layer of cubes from every side. This layer completely I am removing. This layer completely I am removing. First of all, how many units are there on one side? So how many units are there here? 44 centimeters divided by 4. 11 units are there. In this 11 units, I am deleting 2 units because top layer and bottom layer I am deleting. So 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2. 9 units will be left. Like that, every face 2 units are deleted when I remove the outer layer. So the innermost cube, how many are remaining? 9. So like this, if you remove the top layer, the innermost cube, 9 units, 9 units, 9 units are left. So in that, how many cubes are there? So number of cubes we can count easily now. 9 units into 9 units into 9 units. That is 9 cube. And 9 cube is going to be 729. That is option B. Doubts in this, you can raise a hand. Mayuk?
Sir,
Mayuk?
I do not understand that removing the.
Mayuk, you understood the question or not? What they are asking? What they are asking?
so there are how many number of sides of all cubes are? All small.
Let me ask the question in a different way. Suppose I have divided all the big cube into small pieces. What I am doing is I am painting all the I'm painting the bigger cube on all the faces. A cube has how many faces?
So 6 faces.
All the faces I am painting from outside. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then when I divide all of them into small pieces and scatter all the small pieces separately. Okay. Now the question is, how many cubes are there which are not receiving any paint?
So after cubes.
How many cubes are there which are not painted at all? How to calculate that? We have to remove the outer layer first. If you remove the outer layer, inner layered cubes are not receiving any paint. Yes or no?
Sir, yes.
How to remove the outer layer? If you remove the outer layer, its side is decreased by one side from the top, one unit from the top, 1 unit from the bottom. 2 units are subtracted if you remove
Yes,
the outer
sir.
layer. So this big
Yes, sir.
cube is going to become small cube when you remove the outer layer, right?
Yes, sir.
So in the most remaining one, how many will be there? 9 into 9 into 9. It's going to be 729 cubes will be there. Understood? They are
Yes, sir.
surrounded by all the cubes on all the sides. Okay?
Okay.
Karthik? Karthik,
Yes, class.
Karthik, what is your doubt? Vedashri?
Sir,
Yes.
18th question.
18th question is over. I asked so many times and then you are not raising hand. You have any doubt in this 19th one?
No, sir.
18th you can ask me in the institute. Sharath? Sharath?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, your voice is stucking.
Sharath, try to leave the class and join again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we'll discuss one more question and then you can leave. Yes, 1 decimeter is equal to. So unit conversion, I told you already. So let us say this is meter. Okay, in order to remember easily, I told you one method. Meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. And on the right side, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. So 1 decimeter is equal to. That means we are converting decimeter into meter. Why meter only? Because in option, in all the options, meter is given. Decimeter to meter we are converting. We are moving one step left. One step left means we have to divide by 10. Why 10 only? Because 10 is having 1 0. Suppose if you are moving 2 steps left, you have to divide by 100. But if you are moving right, you have to multiply. But in this question, we are moving one step left. That means 1 decimeter is equal to 1 we have to divide by 10. Then it will be converted into meter. But 1 by 10 is directly not given in the options. So what we can do? 1 by 10 is nothing but 10 to the power minus 1. Why 10 to the power minus here 1 0, so you'll be getting minus 1. Suppose if 1 by 100 is there, you will be writing 10 to the power minus 2. Why? Because 10 square is 100. 1 by 1000 is nothing but 10 power minus 3. So the answer is option A. 1 into 10 to the power minus 1 meters. Option A. Doubts can raise a hand. Rutvik. Rutvik.
Sir, your voice is stucking, sir.
Rutvik, my internet connectivity, there is no problem. I can hear your voice clearly. Try to leave the class and join again. Aditi. Yes,
Sir,
Aditi.
how is that only -1?
Come again. Auto.
Sir, how did you get -1 only?
Only
Why
remember
don't
one
you?
thing, Aditi. In this table, when you are moving left, you are moving one step left. Use 10 power minus 1. Suppose if you are moving one step right, you should use 10 power plus 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Suppose if you are moving 3 steps left, 10 to the power
Sir, 3 steps
3 steps
left,
left. What it should be? 10 to the power.
-3.
Very good. 3 steps right, 10 to the power.
3, -3.
Yes. Right side 10 to the power 3.
Right side it is 3.
Yes. Okay. Remember that.
Okay, sir.
Nishan Sai. Yes, Nishan.
Sir, 1 millimeter is equal to
What? 1 millimeter you are converting into which unit?
sir centimeter.
1 millimeter to centimeter. That means one step left you are going. Again, 1 millimeter is equal to 10 power minus 1 centimeter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
One step left means 10 to the power minus 1. One step right means 10 to the power 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Charvika. Charvika.
Sir, problem once explain.
See, decimeter we are converting into meter. Charvika, I asked you to remember this table, right?
Yes, sir.
Starting from meter in the middle. While you are going left, you are having bigger units. Decameter, hectometer, kilometer.
Yes, sir.
Starting from meter, if you're going right, you take smaller units: decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Okay. in this question we are converting from decimeter to meter. So decimeter to meter, we are going one step left. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
One step left means you take 10 to the power minus 1. Suppose you are going one step right, you take 10 to the power of 1 only. Okay. Left you take minus, right you take plus. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Rutvik, you have any doubt? Rutvik?
Sir, into one, why sir do? Hi, mummy.
Suppose if you are going one step right, it will be 10 power 1. But in this question, we step one step left, no? 10 to the power minus 1.
Sir, no, sir. Why we are doing into one?
Into 1. Because any number multiplied by 1, there is no change. But in the question also, they mentioned 1. That 1 is this one. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, students, there ends our class. Okay, then you'll get time for getting ready to the school. Okay, all of you can leave the class. So leave your feedback in the chat box and you can leave the class now.